How to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to install Phantom Wallet on your device. You can easily launch any Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and then install, and then you can simply open it and set up the Phantom Wallet extension whether on the app or browser, and then you can log into your wallet using password or biometric authentication. After that, simply you have to open the Photon platform in your browser. Ensure you are on the official Photon site to avoid phishing scams. You can log in or create a Photon account and complete any setup steps. After that, you have to go to Photon's wallet integration settings and select Phantom Wallet from the list of supported wallets and click Connect to initiate the connection. A pop-up will appear from the Phantom wallet. Simply you have to review the permissions and click Approve to authorize the connection. Again, you have to return the photon and confirm your wallet is connected. Your wallet address and details should now appear in Photon's wallet management section. So that is how we successfully connect Phantom wallet to Photon. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.